Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to send a Tikkie payment request using your phone. First, make sure you have the Tikkie app installed on your smartphone. After the app is ready, open it. You will see a button to create a new payment request. Tap that button. Now enter the amount of money you want to request. This is the amount your friend or contact needs to pay you. You can also write a short note so they know what the request is for. Once you have entered the amount and note, the app will create a payment link. You can share this link in different ways. You can send it through WhatsApp, email, text message, or another messaging app on your phone. Choose the way you want to share the link with your friend. When your friend gets the link, they can tap it and pay using their own bank's ideal payment method. They do not need the Tikkie app to pay you. After they pay, the money will go into your bank account. The payment request link is usually valid for 2 weeks. Now you know how to send a Tikkie using the Tikkie app connected to your ABN AMRO account. Thanks for watching.